Hey friends, today I'm going to teach you how you can set up a Google Analytics account for your blogger. So let's see how we can do that. First of all, in Google search engine or any search engine, we will type Google Analytics and click on the main website link. Also, you can try shortcut analytics.google.com. That will take you to the main website. Now here you can see I have an existing Google Analytics accounts. So to add one more property in my existing account, I will go to the admin section. Now I will click on the create account button. It will ask me to fill a few details related to my blogger page. So here I'll type that details. The account name, website URL, industry category you can choose. You also need to choose the time zone. So let's see how we can fill that. Here I'll type account name online and website name online. Now here you need to fill the website URL. So from here I'll copy it and paste it without HTTP. From here you can choose HTTP or HTTPS. So I'll choose HTTPS. In industry category you can choose from the drop down. So from here I'll choose jobs and educations. Now the timing is India. Sorry. Now I will click on Get Tracking ID button. To accept the conditions, you check on this button. On this, I accept. It will take you to the next page, and on that page here you can see you will get your tracking ID. So copy that tracking ID and go to your blogger page. In blogger page, click on the setting option. Now go to the others. At the bottom of the page, you will find a section of Google Analytics Web Property ID. Just fill that ID here and save settings. Now again move to this page. And you will see from real time you can check. Option audience you can check. Just click on your website page and it will start reflecting here. You can see in real time you can check. So it means it gets started working.